What's up guys, it's Edward with Crypto University, and in this video we are going to be talking about the SmartTrade terminal. If you have made it through all of our bot videos, congratulations. If not, you should go check them out now. So to access the SmartTrade terminal, you're going to click over on the tab in the top left corner to expand and see the full tab range here, and you'll click on SmartTrade. So this is going to be the basic overview for the SmartTrade terminal. I'm just going to basically show you a little bit about everything, and then we will further break down each section of the SmartTrade terminal in later videos. So here we have the exchange. You can choose which exchange you want to trade on. If you have multiple connected, here you have your market. So you can choose what coin you want to trade, in what market you want to trade it on. So if you want to play USDT, or if you want to trade USDC or BTC, you just pick that market right here, and it will adjust all the pairs accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back to USDT. And then finally you select your pair. So this is the pair that you want to trade. You have all the USDT pairs available that are on Binance because I have connected my Binance exchange. So based upon what exchange you have connected, will be limited to what pairs you have to choose from here. So you can choose to turn on or off the TradingView chart. You can choose to turn on or off the signals. You can choose to turn on or off the trade terminal, which is this. You didn't even see that part. This right here, where you have the option to check different terminals. And then you have the option to close the orders and positions, which we just saw down there as well. Usually interrupts right here in this region. Do you see it? You have 174 open orders. So that's what that turns off right there. As I said, this is the signals. So you can see here you have a strong buy for these pairs. These are displayed by TradingView as well. Everything is integrated from 3commas into TradingView. So this chart right here is provided by TradingView. So that's where the trade terminal would come, or the TradingView, I'm sorry. That turns this off. TradingView turns this off. And then the trade terminal is the next part that we have down here. And that is turned off by this button. This is the order book. So here under the order book, we have Smart Buy, Smart Cover, Smart Sell, Smart Trade, and Buy Sell. So we're going to have a video for each one of these following up. If you scroll down, you can see your active open orders here, and that would be displayed right here again, orders and positions. So if you turn this off here, it will take this out of your view. And then you have your active trades. So this is how you can see your active deals. So you can take note, first we have the pair, and you can see the pair that is being traded, and if you have more than one exchange, it'll show the exchange as well. You can see the creation date for the trade, so you can see how long this trade has been open right here. You can see the volume, so this is how much of the coin you got, and this is how much of the corresponding coin you put in to receive this coin. And this is the status of your trade compared to your buy price. This is your current price. And we have take profit over here. This is actually a very outrageous take profit goal. So I'll expand and you can see we have made multiple buys on here. And we have a take profit condition of $1. I have it here mapped so I can check the progress of it. That's why it's the only current active trade open. But I'm just showing you how to measure it. So when you pull down, you can see all the stats, what price you paid for the coin, price you paid for it with exchange fees, the current price of the coin, and the take profit price condition. If you have made multiple buys on one smart trade, if there were buy steps, it'll show you at each step how much was purchased. Then you can retract that, so you can refresh the deal to see what the status change is. You can add funds to the deal by selecting add funds, and then choosing how much of your available funds you want to put in. Set if you want it to be a market or limit. I'm not going to do that. You can close at market price, and it'll show you how much your trade would be closed for. This one would be closed for a loss if we decided to close it right now, so we're not going to do that. We're going to go back. This would give you the option to edit your smart trade, and we're not going to get too far into that right now. That's going to be a different video. This is just a basic walkthrough because there's a lot of interesting stuff going on in the smart trade terminal. And then we have the cancel. So if you wanted to cancel, I'm not even going to press that, but obviously it would cancel your deal. Now, doing this would leave your position open. It would just cancel the smart trade action on 3commas end. So 3commas is a passive API integration software that we use to automate our trading. And if you cancel the deal, it will cancel it on 3commas side. It will not sell the position at the current market price. You need to use this. You need to close at market price if you want this position to be closed. That is important to note. Canceling the deal only cancels it on the user interface side of 3commas. Closing at market price closes the actual deal. All right, moving on. You can see the history here. So you can filter out your trades by date range or by canceled. If you do a manual buy-sell trade order, it'll look like this. One of these three here, these are all manual buy-sell trade orders. If you do a smart trade, it'll look like this. So you can expand on either one of these to see what the action taken was. You can see the buy steps again, the volume, the status. This is what it looks like on a smart trade. You see the enter price, again with exchange fees, the price that we closed at, and the take profit condition. You can see the price, the volume, and the status. So this is how you can observe your trades. Sometimes trades do fail. When they fail, they have a note. The order price doesn't meet the exchange's minimum and maximum price limitations. The system will be able to place the order after the coin price moves closer to the order level. So if you get an error, you'll see why. This is what it looks like if you cancel one. So we had set up a couple trades here on BTC, and we took profit at this price. So we decided, you know what, that's enough, and I canceled everything else because you could see the enter price here was 42,000, and our quantity achieved here was 43,470. So that was sufficient enough for me to cancel all the rest of my trades. At that time, it seemed like a good idea. Obviously, price saw a lot more action since that date, but that's for a different video. This is what it would look like if you canceled a trade. So that's a basic overview of the smart trade terminal from top to bottom. Like I said, we're going to get further into what each portion actually does and how to use each one of these pieces of the smart trading terminal. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you take some notes and get ready for the next one.